Huawei logo. And release buttons. So now phone is in recovery mode, and you need to tap on update mode. In my previous video I use memory card or OTG update mode. You can see that tutorial how to do that, but in this video I will show you simply how to upgrade your phone using e-recovery mode. Tap to e-recovery and tap to update and recovery system. So now, as you can see, download the latest system version and recovery over Wi-Fi. So click to that, and now you need to enable Wi-Fi router and connect to your router. Tap to connect and wait a few moments. As you can see, I connected to Wi-Fi, and I have e-recovery version for my phone. This is the last version of Emui 10.1. So simply you need to wait to download it, and it will automatically install on your phone and recover. If you have some issues with system, it will recover all problems. So with e-recovery mode, all your data, pictures, music will be saved, so don't worry about that. And that's it, guys. If you like, click on like or subscribe to my channel, and see you again soon. Bye bye.